You're posting every day, you're following trends, you're using hashtags, but nothing seems to move the needle. The likes come and go, but your bookings don't change. You feel like you're shouting into the void, while everyone else somehow keeps getting new clients, new followers, and new sales. You start wondering if maybe social media just doesn't work for you. Let me stop you right there. Social media absolutely works for beauty businesses, but not the way most people are using it. The problem isn't the platform, it's the approach. Once you understand how to use social media strategically instead of emotionally, you'll see consistent growth without burning yourself out. Before we dive into it, go ahead and like this video, hit subscribe, and download your free automation guide in the description box. It will show you how to let AI handle your bookings, reminders, and messages, so you can focus on making money and serving your clients. Let's start with something most beauty pros never realize. Social media isn't meant to make people buy right away. It's meant to make people believe in you first. When your content connects emotionally, it builds trust. Once trust is there, selling becomes effortless. Here's what's interesting. Most beauty entrepreneurs are unknowingly creating content that pushes people away instead of pulling them in. Later in this video, I'll show you the exact formula for posts that turn casual scrollers into loyal clients, even if you have a small following. The first step to growing your beauty business with social media is understanding the difference between showing up and standing out. Showing up is posting every day. Standing out is communicating results, transformation, and emotion in every post. When someone sees your content, they should instantly think, "That's the person who gets it, that's who I want to book with." The easiest way to stand out is to tell short, relatable stories that answer your clients' unspoken questions. For example, instead of posting, "Book your facial," say, "My client came in feeling insecure about her skin. Here's what we did, and now she's glowing without makeup." That one shift makes your audience feel something. Emotion drives bookings more than promotions ever will. But content alone isn't enough. You also need consistency, and that's where automation becomes your best friend. Imagine this. You post a video explaining how to care for your skin after a wax. A viewer clicks your link, joins your email list, and immediately gets a follow-up message with your booking link, a free guide, and your favorite product recommendations. You didn't send a single message manually, but the system kept working for you. That's how modern beauty businesses scale. Halfway through, don't forget to like this video and download the free automation guide below. It walks you through how to build the exact system I'm describing, step by step, so your marketing runs while you focus on your craft. Now, let's get back to your social media strategy. The second key is visibility. If people can't find you, they can't book you. Each platform plays a different role. Instagram is your portfolio. It shows transformation and trust. TikTok is your discovery engine. It pushes your content to new eyes daily. YouTube builds authority. It tells your story and keeps people watching long enough to believe in you. But here's something no one tells you. You don't need to be everywhere. You just need to dominate one platform until it brings steady clients. Then you expand. When you master one place, you learn how your audience thinks, what they want, and how to talk to them in their language. And here's where most beauty businesses lose momentum. They stop too early. Growth isn't about posting for a week or even a month. It's about developing a repeatable rhythm where your content, automation, and follow-up system all work together. When that rhythm is in place, you can step back and still grow. Later in this video, I'll share the one type of content that's outperforming everything else for beauty entrepreneurs right now, and how to use it even if you don't like being on camera. Let's move to the third key: engagement that actually matters. Many beauty pros chase likes and views, but those numbers don't pay bills. What matters is conversation. Every time someone comments, shares, or saves, that's a chance to build connection. Here's what to do. Every day, reply to comments like a human, not a business. Ask questions. Thank people for engaging. Start small talk. This creates micro-relationships that convert into real bookings later. People buy from people, not pages. And here's something important. When your engagement feels real, the algorithm rewards you. It pushes your content to more people because it sees that humans are interacting meaningfully. That's how small creators grow fast. Now, remember I mentioned that one content type that's performing best right now? It's educational transformation videos. These are short clips that teach, entertain, and show results at the same time. For example, record a 15-second clip where you show part of a service, overlay text that says, "This is how I help my clients stay smooth for 4 weeks," and end it with your brand logo or your face smiling confidently. This type of content builds authority, creates emotion, and keeps people watching until the end. The more watch time your content gets, the more the algorithm pushes it. That means more eyes, more trust, and eventually, more clients. If you combine everything we've talked about, emotional storytelling, consistent visibility, and real engagement, social media stops being stressful and starts being profitable. Before you go, remember to like this video, subscribe, and download your free automation guide in the description box. It will show you how to let AI take care of your daily marketing tasks so you can spend your time doing what you love, making your clients feel beautiful and confident. Because social media shouldn't drain you, it should grow you. And when you use it with purpose, it becomes the most powerful tool your beauty business will ever have.